like to my video, subscribe to my channel and don't forget to on the notification bell. Hello friends, welcome you once again to my channel DV Craft. I am Disha and today we are going to make paper fox. So let's get started. First we will take a paper and fold it in triangle. Now bring this edge down. Now follow the procedure. And the fox is almost ready. Let's decorate it. And the fox is ready. Friends, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel and comment below. Thanks for watching.